Hey everybody, I'm back. So for today's video, I will be recording obviously another makeup look. But I am going to try to challenge myself to only use one palette. I always use at least two, but I'm gonna try really hard to only use one palette today. And because I just got this one, I've only worked with it once, which was in my last video, and I only used like one color out of it. I am going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Volume II palette, and everything I do, I'm really going to try hard to just be out of this palette. So it's kind of a challenge for me, so we'll see how that goes. But anyway, stick around because I think it's going to be a fun look. I don't know if you guys have seen the inside of the palette. A lot of really pretty fun colors, oranges and purples and yellows and golds. And I just think it's going to be a lot of fun to create something with this. So yeah, stick around to see what I do and let's have some fun. Welcome back. Welcome back. Okay, that was too much. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed and you liked it. I did something kind of fun this time with the colors, with the glitter and the gold. I even did a bold lip, which is not something I've been doing a lot of lately. I have really been sticking to doing neutrals for like everything. So I just really been trying to do a lot of color since I have so many palettes with so much color. I've just been trying to do a lot of color. So I hope you guys like this look. This is really fun. I can't wait till we can go outside again and I can actually wear this outside because this is really cute. Oh, and I got the perfect outfit I'm gonna wear this with too. Ooh, this gonna be cute. Okay, sorry y'all. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I know I stopped and kind of forgot to show the products I was using, but like I always say, my face routine is literally the same thing. So I can probably try to maybe type in the bottom what each product was when I started using it. If editing these videos takes me a really long time, I don't know why, but it does. So I will try my hardest to add all that in. But yes, I love this look. This is so pretty. Like, I can't stop looking at myself. Oh my God. But I take a bunch of photos. But yes, I really hope you guys like this look. As far as this Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume II, if you don't have it yet, you need to get it. Like, oh my goodness, like the colors blend so nicely. They're so pretty. I love it so far. Like, so far, so good. It's a really nice palette. But anyway, I hope you guys like this look. And remember to like, subscribe, and share, to hit the little bell on the main page so you guys can get notifications whenever I upload a video. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.